Let me show you how you can work with the UI editor in Let's Code Plus. Simply you can create UI by drag and dropping any widget on the toolbar, and once you drag and drop it you can select it and then you can adjust its properties. You can do things like that. You can add icons and so many things. Similarly, you can adjust properties of the other widgets as well when it's on the canvas. By default, it uses mode called accuracy mode. Using that accuracy mode, it makes it easier for you to design UIs for various mobile devices. Yeah, easily do responsive UIs. Uh, yeah, when you drag and drop it or drop this button or this button, it will ask for several options. That's how the accuracy mode works. It will allow you to add before the button, or you can also add after that. So that's the accuracy mode. So if you select freestyle mode instead, you can drag and drop it anywhere. It won't ask for any options, so you have the freedom to move it anywhere and uh, to design the way you like, but it won't help be that effective for you to create responsive UIs. But this is we will be really helpful for you if you are creating internal tools or some applications that won't run in multiple devices. And let me delete all that. And similarly, you can also adjust the zoom of it, and you can also view this for multiple design it for multiple screen sizes like this. So I'll be talking about how to design responsive UIs in my upcoming videos. So let me create a container to show something else. So and, uh, I want, want to like demonstrate how the overflow methods work. So uh, let me increase the height of it. We'll make it 200 VH. So if this container is larger than the canvas, it will show scroll bars under the fit screen mode. And if you select overflow mode, it will the size will automatically increase so that you can see the whole page and design the whole page. And if you select fit screen, it will only show according to the screen size. So even if you say small screen, it will work, but if you select the overflow mode, it will automatically create scroll bars. So let me select another screen size. And by default, these buttons will show outlines. So actually outlines are more helpful when you design more complex layouts. So here that using outlines you can uh, see the area of each element. So if you disable outlines, it will remove the outlines, but you can still select it by hovering over it. But you locating and finding those outlines become a lot difficult when you disable that. And also there are other tool windows in the UI editor that you can use that will allow you to change the background of buttons, for example. And also there are tool windows for you to change the font size like this. And also tool windows for you to add events for buttons, for example. And also there are tool windows to create state variables. I'll be talking about this in my upcoming videos as well. And also there are other helper features for you to select various elements. If you use a select parent element, so once this element selected, it will select the parent element of it, and you can select the next element like this and the previous element and select the first child and so on. And also you can resize it like this, and if you select the adjust margin mode, it will change the margin of it. Yeah, if you open the tool window, you can see how it works. And also, if you select adjust padding, it will change the padding of this. Let me adjust padding of this column, so that makes it easier for you to do that. So, and also using this, you can set the width to 100% and the height to 100%. This will be really helpful for you to design layouts and duplicate elements, and things like that. And also using the UI layout tool window, you can also select the UI element, and you can also create styles for different UI sizes using the style envisionator. I'll be talking about that in my other videos as well. And also there are partials that you can drag and drop, preview partials. For example, if you drag and drop, it will automatically create. So let me show us something else. Yeah, it will create partials for pre-built UI layouts. That speeds up your process. And using theme editor, you can change the themes of your UI. So that's the basics about the UI editor.